I hear some birds in my room. Let me go check if there is a bird. Oh my god. There are some eggs in the nest. I have an idea. I will steal these eggs and make an omelet because I am hungry. Ha 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 ha, soy soy soy, rofa rofa rofa. Oh no. There is a bird. I better get the eggs quickly. You can't catch me. Ha 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 ha, soy 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 soy, rofa rofa rofa. Ow 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 ow. Stop. It hurts. Okay. I'm sorry. I will never steal your eggs. I am getting out of here. Why
Violy. What's wrong? Why are you crying?
I got beaten by the bird. Because I stole her eggs.
Oh my god. Oh. Violy. How dare you stole the eggs from the bird? It was very cruel. That's it. You are grounded for 77,777,222,221,111 days. Go to your room now.
You guys suck. Why